Roughing at 10,000, bore. Spindle load. Then the 12,000. Roughing spindle loads about 40% on this 1/2 inch end mill. Depth of cut, 15% step over, feeding at 150 inches a minute. The part I can't show you, but we've done thousands, and the critical tolerances is +2 -0 on about a 4-inch bore. On op stop, I'll get to the parts where it's going to run a 4th axis movements and all that fun stuff. Show you guys some surfacing up close. We'll do a coolant off real quick. It's at 12,000 RPM still. Base mill spindle load. Surfacing. It can be switched left-wise if you're trying to access front or rear on a rotation. Full rotation. You need to get a 5th axis adapter for the tool probe. This locates, I'll use it on the right side fixture. Whenever you set up the machine, you can set it up however you want. I do have a brand new unit because I use this unit across 3 machines. There's other ways you can fixture it if you want it to stay inside the machine, but you'd have to create something to go into the T slot within reach and travel to be there. Some people do it with a mount off the back side of the rotary. Depends on your tool length, all that. For us, we take it out of the machine, no issues. Locates back into the unit on same pull studs that the vices and fixtures use. That's the best way for us, but everybody does it a little bit different.